see, this is something about me. I can be me, I can make videos, and I can have fun all on my same account because I'm not owned by brands. I'm not owned by anybody. Unlike a lot of my competitors, if they would start making random videos, well, their revenue would tank and their views would tank. I've always been authentic and I've always been me. I've always been, I am so thankful for the brands that I work with, and I work with over 250 brands per month. And I love the brands, and the brands know something about me. They know I can't be bought. They know I'm gonna make videos how I wanna make videos, and I'm gonna be authentic to myself. I'm never gonna sell out myself just for one video category. I'm never gonna sell out myself just to please the algorithm. I'm never gonna sell out myself just to please the other people. I'm never gonna sell out myself. Let me repeat that. I'm never gonna sell out myself. So I can do videos like this that are just, some people are gonna find it just plain down stupid, funny, silly. Did I lose my marbles? And I can do these kind of videos because I've never sold out myself. Because I've always been true to who I am. From day one of this channel, if you look back, my content has always been different. From cars to reviews to funny videos to just random off the chart. And I can still do that today. Not many creators can say we started this channel in 2009, and all these years, not many can say, well, they can still make a living. They can still be authentic to who they are without losing everybody or losing all the views or losing all the subscribers or losing all the brand deals and all this and that. And a lot of people hate that about me because when you are authentic, the fake people, the scripted people, the people that got to go through a script to film a video, they don't like the unscripted people that actually make it because it is hard. It is super hard making it, but it's even harder making it when you're unscripted. Making it when you can do whatever you want with content and you're not worried about someone owning you. You're not a puppet on a string. Because I'm not a puppet on a string, and that's why I can have fun, I can enjoy videos, I can have these kind of videos, and I love that. And I love it. My best advice to anybody out there is to be your authentic self and stop being controlled by puppet masters. Have fun with life. So most of these videos that I do on this channel are reviews now. But I can actually do videos like this from time to time if I want to, if I choose. Now, I have other accounts that I do this kind of stuff way more often. But the great thing is I can choose when, however, whatever I want to do, I can choose to do it. I'm not worried about the shadow banning. I'm not worried about displeasing somebody who owns me or who pays me. I can be me because I've set ground rules from the time I started YouTube up until today that I can't be bought, I can't be owned, and I'm going to be me. And I love my brands that I work with. They know that, but they know that I'm not going to be scripted. Some videos I'll do scripted if I want to do them, but nobody ever tells me to do something that I don't want to do. Nobody ever tells me to give a fake review. Nobody can tell me, they tell me, but I just blow them off. I either say, you want to work with me? This is how I film. If you don't like it, go work with somebody else. There's plenty of other reviewers in the sea that are willing to sell themselves to be a scripted fake creator. And you know what? We do live in an age where when you are scripted, when you are fake, you can make more income from brand deals and stuff. But I would rather be me, who God made me to be, and that's who I'm always going to be, my friends. So I love you guys. And to the trolls that hate these kind of videos because they lost their inner child, I feel bad for you guys. You lost your inner child. It's time to bring that child back, and it's time for you to stop worrying about what other people have to say or what other people are thinking about you. It's time to be who God created you to be. And it's time to just enjoy life. Because life is short. I can't imagine going through life being owned by somebody, especially brands. When you let your brands know clear that, hey, look, this is who I am, this is my channel, this is what I do, this is authentic version of me, when brands know this, and you're not wishy-washy, you know, you're not, well, maybe I can spread the extend the truth a little bit, or maybe this, well, you know, if you pay me enough money, I'll be scripted. No. When brands know there's no wiggle room, they either work with you or they don't. It's that simple. And it allows you to be you. And here's the thing. We are now living in an age where your traditional advertising, your traditional review videos don't exactly perform better than other videos. For example, you can do a video, and it's like Gary Vaynerchuk had said, and I love Gary because he's the kind of person that says, you know, you follow your passions, your dreams, you have fun, you do, be you, don't be somebody else. And I've always stayed true to that. I've always been me. I don't care about other people. I don't watch other people to try and better other people. I better me. I chase my ghost, and I love it. And you guys can do it too. It's hard. It's hard to be, you know, in control. It's hard to turn down a brand deal because, you know, I've turned down $1,000 brand deal. They're like, yeah, I'll pay you $1,000, but you got to do this, say this, put this in your description. You got to be clear, blah, blah, blah. And I've turned them down because that's not me. That's not authentic. Now, if my opinions line up with what you say, you know, with your script, if I review the product and I make the video and it lines up with, you know, with what you're saying, then yeah, but I'm not going to promote some junk item, or I'm not going to be like, yeah, you got to buy this if it's junk. And you know, that's the great thing about me is I can do videos and not worry about losing the bank, not worry about losing all my money, because my worth, my value is not tied up in other people. It's tied up in me, in my worth. And I'm always going to be the authentic version of me, and I love it. I love it, guys. So never change for somebody else. Don't be a puppet on a string with the puppet masters pulling those strings. If you are scared, if you have content and you want to make content, but the only way you could do that is if you would make another channel, then you're not being the authentic version of yourself. If there's a kind of video that you want to upload and you're scared of the views, or you're scared of what people are going to say or think or react, or you're scared if you spend a month just uploading different content, especially if you're a reviewer and that's what your channel is, and you're scared to post some vlogs, you know, do a vlog a week or something, then you are not fully in control of your channel. That means fear is controlling your channel. That means somebody behind it's controlling it. Be the authentic version of yourself, because life is short. And let me tell you guys something. Money will not solve all your problems. Money's great. It helps for a lot of things. But at the end of the day, if you're living in fear and you're not being the true version of yourself because of money, because of brands, because of other people, I don't want to wake up on my deathbed and say, well, at least I made videos that pleased my brands. At least I made content, you know, that pleased everybody else but me. You know, it's time to be authentic versions of ourselves. And yeah, that does often mean paid less. Being authentic means a lot of times you get paid less. But guess what? It's not how much money you make in life, it's what you do with the money that you do make. See you guys on the next one. And this is why brands that are honest love me, because they know I'm authentic. They know that I'm going to make a video that is authentic, that is not scripted, that is not fake, that cannot be bought out by money or materialistic things. They know this guy actually, he owns his channel. He owns it. He's not controlled by the world.